I'm a stay at home mom. No, it's not a real job. But if I wanted to get a real job, I'd have to pay someone for exactly what I have to do. I'm a stay at home mom, and I sit and scroll my phone the whole day. I'm a stay at home mom, and I don't need my husband's help taking out the garbage. I have to look after myself, the kids, and the house because I've got all day. I am a house mommy, and for us, it is not difficult to be the chef, the nanny, the teacher, the cook, the cleaner, the nanny, and the nurse. It's all so easy. And most importantly, we can do all of this all in one day, for 24 hours a day, without getting any salary, or off days, or any sick leave.